Do you want to learn how to install the CCTV? Or do you want to learn or to master to gain the skills and networking? Good news, because our CCTV installation and networking course is now open for enrollment. And we have this 50% discount exclusively for the first batch ever. So if you're the one who is interested to learn to have these skills and CCTV, so you can join our free startup class this coming Friday, August 31 at 10 o'clock in the morning. So anyone can join for our free startup class. So if you're looking to enhance or you want to master your skills on how to install the CCTV, so this is the course for you. So to learn more or to know the information, you can message us on our WhatsApp number +96599302850, or you can comment down below in this comment section, or you can message us in our inbox. Okay, so CCTV installation and networking course is now open for enrollment, and we have 50% discount for you for the first batch of this course. Okay, so the class will start this August 29th, Friday at 10 o'clock in the morning. So that's why we have this free startup class this coming Friday. So yeah, join us now and message us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, and this is Miss Rochelle from ICSA Kuwait, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested, just message us. Okay, so thank you and see you here in ICSA.